Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about the 5 altcoins you might need to look for if you want to invest in the last quarter of this year. It has been a crazy year for crypto, but probably the last quarter can hold some surprises. Of course, as usual, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a financial advice, and if I mention anything, it's linked down below in the description. And let's get into the video. So guys, here we are. Let's have a look at the first coin I need to mention today. When we scroll down in the crypto market cap, you will find a beautiful coin here looking like an ape. It's called ApeCoin. Of course, many of you already know ApeCoin. ApeCoin is one of my personal favorite coins during this year. It had a massive, gigantic pump, and now we're having this consolidation phase, I would say, or just we're going sideways for a while. When we look deeply at the chart, you know that I'm kind of interested in ApeCoin, particularly here during this kind of a consolidation phase. There is a lot of money to be made. When we're talking in numbers, we're talking about 150% increase from the previous all-time low, and then we're having almost 88 decrease. And this fluctuation or this volatility means you can make money, means you can make money trading ApeCoin, or also that can be a good opportunity for you to hold it on the longer run. All-time high for ApeCoin was around $27.5, meaning that we still have a long way to go all the way up, and this will give you a comfortable profit or potential profit of around almost 500%. Do you need to buy ApeCoin? Well, I would say if you haven't invested in ApeCoin yet, then probably you can wait on the sidelines for a while. But if you have and you're already invested in ApeCoin and you want to increase your investment, then probably I would say keep your investment and think about getting into the market, or even if you haven't invested, think about getting into the market once we have a clear confirmation from ApeCoin price here that we're getting again into a bullish move. It can be very soon. Actually, we broke this channel towards the downside, and now we found some support over here, and that can have a potential to have a pump towards the upside, and this can actually turn very profitable. But I would say ApeCoin has a great potential on the longer run. ApeCoin can be regarded, or at least I personally regard it as the next meme coin or the next Ninja Turtle kind of coin. It's an NFT kind of community based coin, and the community backing up such a project is just huge, and many people are making good investment in ApeCoin. I know many people also lost a lot of money in ApeCoin, but that's the case in the cryptocurrency space, whether it's ApeCoin, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it, everything is just going down for a while. So don't be just fixed on the losing coins. Everything has its ups and downs, and everything will eventually get into a bullish market once more. Of course, that's my own humble opinion. You need to do your own studies, but generally speaking here, I would encourage you at least to have a look at ApeCoin, keep it under your radar, and then eventually it will turn profitable. Second one I want to talk about here, let me go to the charts, will be Ethereum. I know it doesn't make sense that Ethereum is really coming at number 2, not really number 1. It's just not that high there. But I would say Ethereum is having also a great potential. Of course, you know the story of Ethereum. Ethereum went through a big kind of merge from a proof of work to proof of stake. For those of you who don't know what do I mean by that, Ethereum was just a proof of work, meaning that you have to mine it exactly like Bitcoin, and that consumes energy, and many people were just running around, oh my god, the climate change, all of that good stuff. And now it's coming to a proof of stake, or it already happened. So now people got so excited about the latest pump, and now we're having a massive dump of Ethereum, and actually that forms a golden opportunity for you if you haven't invested yet in Ethereum. I would say Ethereum currently, as we speak, is at a bargain price, so you might need to pay some attention to Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, is well-known currency. It's the second cryptocurrency on the planet, so it's a base layer for anything that involves smart contracting, so you might need to have a look at it. And on the longer run, of course, it's here to stay. There are some disadvantages of using Ethereum, of course, higher gas fees and so on, but it has been already solved once they went to proof of stake. This will solve a lot of problems for Ethereum, and on the longer run we expect a lot of growth to Ethereum. So I would say probably even 10k easily per Ethereum probably in the foreseeable future. But for quarter 4, I would say at least we can have between 20 and 50% pump in Ethereum within the next few weeks or so. So you might need to keep an eye on Ethereum. So going to the next coin here, let's go to the market and I can show you what's going on. As we scroll down, you will find that DogeCoin here is sitting at number 10. Why do I say that DogeCoin can potentially be profitable? Well, for those of you who were already informed about Dogecoin story, or you have been following cryptocurrency news for a while, you know that last year Mr. Elon Musk made comment on Dogecoin and literally sent it to the moon. Literally, this coin made billionaires. I'm not talking about millionaires, billionaires. As you can see here, it was a steep, it's not even a steep incline, it's a 90 degree, it's an acute angle. It's just going all the way, jumping to the moon and then coming back slowly. It wasn't really slowly, but at least not as harsh as it was going up. So I would say that coin reached an all-time high of almost 72 cents. That was back in summer last year. So I would assume that in the last quarter of this year, once things in the market are settling down, once things in the market are just stabilizing, we can expect that Dogecoin can potentially have also a decent run towards the upside. And I'm not going to talk about 50 or 60%. Here with these kind of meme coins, we can say 2 or 3x. Yes, that much. Also bear in mind that Dogecoin is currently number 10 on the crypto market cap. Number 10 on the crypto market cap, meaning that it's a well-trusted coin. Of course, there are some cases or some individual cases that top 10 coins can also turn out to be scammed, could turn out to be kind of a, you know, a bubble and it bursts. Dogecoin started life as a meme coin, as a mock-up for Bitcoin. People were just making fun of Bitcoin, and then it turned serious. It turned that it got adopted by many people. And when community or a group of people get involved in such a coin and just take control of what's going on, that means that it has a lot of potential. So I would say keep an eye on Dogecoin. It has a lot of growth potential, not only in Q4 this year, probably next year, probably the year after. You don't have to invest too much. You can just invest a few bucks here and there in Dogecoin and just make use of such a low price, 0.05 or almost 0.06. So probably, let's say you invest $100 or so, you will get a lot for your money, and this coin can easily reach $1 per coin. So I would say keep an eye on it. It can be a crazy run towards upside. Going to the next one, what do I have for you here? Well, when we scroll down, you will have an unusual client here. You will have an unusual scene. Terra Luna. I know I personally have said a lot that Terra Luna is a big scam, and it had turned out to be a big scam in the aftermath or after what happened for Terra Luna. You know the story also that they introduced Terra Luna 0.2 or Terra 2, and it also turned out to be a scam. Many people were fooled to get into it, but now things are changing slightly here. Why do I say that? Because Terra Luna is becoming also a meme coin, meaning that people are just investing in this coin as a community. It's a community driven coin, meaning that you can rely on the common sense of people to guide and steer such a coin. And actually they are doing so that they are just burning a lot of coins, meaning that they are bringing stability back to the coin. If you look back 3 months, you will see the steady increase of price for Terra Luna once people regain control. And even further, I do believe that in the next quarter or so, it can have at least another spike towards the upside here, towards the latest high, and that means that we can at least double your money on Terra Luna. Of course, everything I'm saying, just my own humble opinion. You will need to do your own studies, and you will need to be knowledgeable of the market, and you will need to investigate yourself before investing a penny in anything. Terra Luna, it's a high risk, high reward, but me personally, I would acknowledge the potential of such a coin. So I would say keep an eye on it and keep it also under your radar, because this one here, once it's up, it's gonna be a crazy run. Next one here is XRP. Personally speaking, I'm not a big fan of XRP, but you know the story of the lawsuit, and once they win it, it can be a crazy increase, and it actually might be quite soon that we can have a final verdict on XRP. I do believe that XRP, given the assumption that it can win the lawsuit, meaning that XRP can go towards the upside quite hard, and it can potentially reach the all-time high over here that was around $3.10, or even further. It depends on the website you're looking at, but XRP can potentially have a very decent run towards the upside if all circumstances are in favor of XRP. That's the last one I have here. That's why it's a high risk, high reward, and it's also a bit sketchy. But you're in the cryptocurrency not only to have safe investments. Of course, you can have safe investments, but if you want to trade, if you want to make crazy money, you have to do some crazy actions. You have to take some major risks. So XRP can be quite risky, but it can be also quite rewarding. So I would say, looking at the history of XRP, it can potentially provide you with good, decent amount of potential profit. But I would say be careful with the news and keep an eye on the news first, and then you can translate that into what's going on with XRP or potentially any altcoin in the market. And also, and ultimately, you will always have to have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is leading the whole entire crypto space behind. As you can see here, BTC is currently again struggling below the 20,000 US dollars. And once it gets above the 20k, and once it gets crucially above the 22,000 US dollars, we can say with a certain degree of confidence that we're going again towards the upside. We're getting bullish once more. I'm not going to say massive bullish, but at least within the next few weeks or so till the end of the year, we can expect some steady growth in price for many altcoins. So you can expect, if you invest wisely and if you're collecting information correctly before you invest in anything, I would say with the right decisions, you can make between 20 and 50% increase in your portfolio, which is not bad at all, given the inflation, given all the interest rate and all the crazy stuff going on. But generally speaking, cryptocurrency can have a greater potential than that, but that's on the conservative side. First of all, you need to do your own studies, and you need to inform yourself what's going on, and you will need to have the ability to trade and the ability to invest and the ability actually to read between the lines and to get knowledge about the market. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the top 5 crypto or top 5 altcoins you might need to have a look at if you want to invest in Q4. Of course, things can get quite pumpy here in the market. Things can get unexpected in the market. You need to take what I said with a grain of salt. Things can turn around quite quickly, and cryptocurrency space, generally speaking, it's quite volatile. You need to be a bit careful, but there are also some opportunities to be seized here in the market. And of course, many people are making a lot of money trading such coins and just making a lot of profit investing in these kind of altcoins. They are kind of having great potential on the longer run. So as usual, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below. And till next video, bye bye.